If you own a 2016 to 2020 Camaro, you know the interior plastics can sometimes feel a little underwhelming. This small console upgrade claims to completely transform the most touched part of your driving experience, and honestly, it delivers. We're looking at the 1Le Suede shift, knob and boot, a direct replacement for the factory unit, specifically part number 24,280,7140. The moment you pull this out of the box, the difference is palpable. It's finished entirely in deep black suede, giving that high-performance, track-ready aesthetic that the 1Le package is famous for. This isn't just a cosmetic cover. It replaces the entire assembly, including the boot, ensuring a cohesive look. Installation is straightforward, fitting perfectly into the console location of the specified Camaro years. This isn't some universal boot you have to wrestle with. The manufacturer, 1Le, claims it's built to meet industry standards for quality control, which means the clips and mounting points line up exactly as they should. That peace of mind during a DIY install is worth a lot, especially when dealing with delicate interior trim. But the real magic is the feel. Suede offers superior grip compared to standard leather or plastic, especially when you're driving aggressively or if your hands get a little warm. It just feels premium, instantly elevating the entire cockpit. It's a subtle change, but every time your hand rests on that knob, you get that satisfying, soft texture. It looks factory, but feels custom. If you're looking for a quick, impactful interior modification that genuinely enhances the tactile experience of driving your Camaro, this 1Le Suede setup is a fantastic choice. A definite win for anyone wanting that high-end touch without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.